My axle's busting on engine's cracked too, man. The old head dig gasket's blown them down, just peak junk, man.
It doesn't even have wheels.
Is this even a vehicle?
Nobody touches it.
Can I just replace the sump gasket? It's right there, and I'm right here.
No. Man, just let me know. Tighten that dang old needle bearing right there. No.
Damn it, Hank. Can we at least pick the flowers in the manifold?
No. God, man, just let me get on the dang gallery. Just get in there with...
You've asked, and Daddy delivers. I'm back. So here's what we're doing. We're gonna put these fucking air shocks on this Ford Ranchero. We're kicking it old school. Why are you backing up for?
Because I thought I was in your way.
No, you're in the video, asshole.
Why does they have like a two-piece fucking frame?
Because it's a subframe, it's not a real frame.
That's fucking gay.
Sometimes you just gotta give them a little smack, thwack, pat. All right, so once you've got your parts out of your box, because that's the hardest part of this job, it's all about mentality. You gotta take this trap door off. Now I'm assuming this is probably only a thing because we got a bed instead of an inside on this truck. The Torinos, obviously you access it from the trunk. So, let's go. Now that you got your bolts out of the way, your access to your top shock bolt is right here. Bam!
Fat fingers.
Fingers. Insertion.
That's a damn shame what I saw on that video. That's sickness.
Guys, you know how we just use that Ingersoll Rand horse shit? Hey, we found my favorite little impact. That's my favorite little impact. This is my favorite little impact. I'm telling you, Earthquake XT Harbor Freight, baby. This is the OG. I really like my Tractor Supply Electric, but this is my favorite little impact in the shop.
I think that's his favorite little impact.
Probably so.
Probably so.
All right, there you go. By the way, the top nut on these things is a 9/16. Not any of that metric horse shit, because this is the stuff that won the World War. Anyways, look. Now, you just have to take this off here. Give it a pet. That way it busts good.
World Wars.
That's
Actually-
right. 45 ACP haters. That is not, I don't think that's right. Give me that.
I don't think that's quite right either, but
That's because it's fucking not. If you would have rounded that off, I'd have been really mad at you. This is a 3/4. I don't know what went right there. I didn't work. What the? Oh, this was exhaust fingers. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you don't need those when you don't got no exhaust.
you're right.
Fucking light is ass. All right, so I'm not gonna lie to you. I do not remember these being carriage bolts, but I guess you just break that 3/4 loose and you're good to go. Okay, so we're not really supposed to be doing this because I mean it's not like they pay us and we're poor.
Help me, I'm poor.
So look, check out this. This is not my impact. BJ just bought this for like $100 off what? Amazon?
Yeah, Amazon.
Bezos bucks. I'm kind of surprised.
It's surprising. I ain't gonna
Watch,
lie.
I'm just gonna jinx it right here. All right, so now extend your shock and put it back on here. That way we can go ahead and get the bottom nut and the top nut on it. And then obviously rinse, wash, repeat. And you got this side too. We're doing some on-job training. Carne asada, dude. Okay. All right, now once you get all that sorted out, you get your shocks on. All you have to do is run your lines. So you run your line right here, boop, boop, into your separator or your leveler. Then, in this case, we just went up, over, around, down. And, see, you see the line running? Yep, 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 yep. Bam! Ran it out right here under the back bumper. Perfecto. Side effects of air shocks may include switch drag length.